Today I'm going to show you how to make Rice Krispie Christmas Puddings. You will need 100 grams of Rice Krispies, 100 grams of marshmallows, 25 grams of butter, 50 grams of milk chocolate, 100 grams of white chocolate, and then you want to add a topping. So I found these little edible holly leaves and berries, so ideally you want to try and find those. So firstly, to a saucepan over a medium to low heat, add your butter. And then once your butter's melted, you then want to add your chocolate. Give this a good stir until melted. And then add your marshmallows. And again, give it a really good stir until melted and it's all well combined. Then to your Rice Krispies, add your marshmallow chocolate mix. Give it a really good stir until it is well combined and all the Rice Krispies are well coated. And then to a pre-lined tray with baking paper, you want to roll out your Rice Krispies into ball shapes. So I coated my hands with flavourless oil, so I used a vegetable oil. Rice Krispies are very sticky, so if you either coat your hands, easiest to coat your hands with vegetable oil, or you could use something like butter or like a margarine spread, just something to help not stick to your hands. And then once rolled out, just pop on your tray and continue until you have used all your mixture. I did 10 with mine. And then you just want to pop these in the fridge and refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes just to allow them to harden up. So pop your white chocolate into a microwavable bowl, pop that in the microwave and microwave for 20 seconds at a time, stirring in between until completely melted. You can also melt your chocolate on a bain-marie, which is a saucepan of boiling water, bowl on top, chocolate in bowl. And I did my chocolate in 50 gram batches, just so then my chocolate didn't harden as I was working with it. And then to your Rice Krispie balls, you then just want to spoon the white chocolate on the top, just allowing it to slightly drizzle over the edges so it looks like Christmas puddings. And then to the white chocolate, you then want to just add your holly decoration, just so that it looks like holly. Pop them back in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes just to allow that chocolate to harden. And there you have it. That's how you make Rice Krispie Christmas puddings.